30. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Here the first question is relation R in the set. Set has been given here. Set 1, 2, 3 up to 14. And the regarding relation has been also given. X comma y is 3x minus y is equal to 0. Then we'll start the we can just identify the given relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay. Then we need the order pair. Here we can write order pair with the help of this relation. Here x 3x minus y equal to 0, 3x equal to y. That means 3x equal to y. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 14 of x value. If x value 1, x value 1 is equal to y, 3 equal to y. When x value is 1, the y value is 3. That means x value 1, y value 3. This is the order pair. Then x value 2, 2 into 3, y value 6. Y value 6. Then 3 comma 9 up to, if x value is 14, 14 comma 14 3 is 42. This is the order pair. This is the order pair for this relation. Now we can go for the relation as reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay. Here 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9. Here first reflexive. We know that reflexive condition is A comma A belongs to R. A comma A belongs to R. That means here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. If in the order pair is there 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3? Yes, it has no 1 comma 1 or A comma. Therefore, A comma A is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Then second one, symmetric. What about symmetric? We know that the condition of symmetric is A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. That shows here 1 comma 3 belongs to R. 1 comma 3 belongs to R. But 3 comma 1 implies 3 comma 1 also belongs to R. No chance. Here 3 comma 1, it has no 3 comma 1. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Okay. Now lastly, the transitive condition. The relation transitive. We know that the condition of transitive A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R. Here 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Then 3 comma 9 belongs to R, but 1 comma 9 not belongs to R. Okay. Here 1 comma 9 is not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not transitive. It is not transitive. This is how we have the yes. Let's start the second question. Second question. The first question is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. What about second? In the first main, second question, first main, second question, we have that the relation R in the set n of natural numbers defined as R equal to x comma y. Here, the set A is a given set of natural number. Set of natural number 1, 2, 3 up to positive infinity. This is the set of natural number and R has been given. Or we could write R x comma y 3x x comma y value x comma y. Here y is equal to x plus 5 and condition is also given x should be less than 4. Less than 4 means we have to write only 1, 2, 3. These are the elements to have the set because x is less than 4. Okay, now we can write R pair R equal to yes. Here, if x value is 1, what we get y value? 1 plus x is 1 plus 5, 6. That means x is 1, y will get 6. Next, x is 2, y will get 7. If x is 3, y will get 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, this is the order pair by the help of this relation. Now we can write the reflexive about this. Reflexive. What about the reflexive? It has no repeated elements. That means 1 comma 1 not belongs to R, 2 comma 2 not belongs to R, something like that. A comma A not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Then the second one, symmetric. Symmetric. What about? We have the condition for symmetric here. A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. Here 1 comma 6 belongs to R or 2 comma 7 belongs to R. You can take any other pair. 1 comma 6 belongs to R implies just its reverse order. 6 comma 1 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Okay, then we'll go for third relation, transitive relation. Transitive. We know that the condition for transitive A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R. Now here we have 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. You can take any one. 1 comma 6 belongs to R. Next 6 comma, no, it has no 6 comma 7 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Okay, this is the justification for second question. Here now we will go for simplifying the third question. Relation R in the set A equal to A as given. Here in the first main third question, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has R is equal to relation R has been given x comma y under bracket and y is y is divisible by x. Y is divisible by x. Okay, we can take any number of y or x. Y should be divisible by x. Okay, here if you can take x value 1, y is divisible by x. That means then y, if x value 1, if y value 2, 2 by 1 equal to 2. Okay, if x value 1, y value 3, then it is also divisible. When you are taking x value 1, y value take any number of the remaining 5, these are the divisibles. But if x is 2, y is 3, x is 2, y is 3, y is not divisible by x. Here, how 2 by 3 gets, we get some decimal numbers. So here we can take any two numbers, 2 comma 4 belongs to R. 2 comma 4. 1 minute. We can write order pair. We can write order pair R is equal to, if 1 comma 2, okay. Next 1 comma 3, okay. If x value 1, y value 3, y value 2, y value 4, all are divisible. 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. But 2 comma 3 is not applicable. 2 comma 4, yes, because 4 by 2 we get divisible by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Next 2 by 5 not applicable. 2 by 6, okay. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, then 4 comma 5 is not applicable. 4 comma 6, okay. 4 comma 6 is also, 4 is divisible. 4 is divides 6, but it gets a decimal. Okay, okay. Then order pair is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, like that. Now we should go for first relation, reflexive. Reflexive. A comma A belongs to R, B comma B belongs to R, 1 comma 1 belongs to R. The repeated numbers are not in the given 1 minute. Here 1 itself, it is divisible. 1 comma 1, 1 is divisible by itself. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Therefore now A comma A belongs to R. That means 1 comma 1 belongs to R. That shows R is what? R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Next, symmetric. Symmetric. Okay, what about symmetric? Here 1 comma 3, next wherever 3, no. 1 comma 4, next to 4 comma, no, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4. 1 minute. Here 1 comma A comma B belongs to R, implies B comma A belongs to R. Okay. Here 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1 not belongs to R. That shows R is not symmetric. Therefore R is not symmetric. Okay, next third one. What about the transitive? 1 comma 3 belongs to R, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 6 belongs to R, but 1 comma 6 not belongs to R. Transitive. Transitive. Here 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 6 belongs to R, but 1 comma 6 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Therefore R is not transitive. These are the solutions for the given some questions. We can go for the next question. Here we have the next question. The next question is relation R in the set A of human beings in town at particular time is given by, here R is equal to x comma y, x and y work at same place. What about reflexive? Yes, it is reflexive because two members are working at same place, therefore it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, next x comma y, x and y live the same locality. The same locality means both are at the same point, same place. This is also equivalence relation. Next, x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. It is taller than y. It is not reflexive, not transitive, not symmetric. Okay, then x comma y, x is a wife of y. X is wife of y. Okay, y is not wife of y. X itself it's not a wife, therefore this is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Next, x comma y, x is father of y. X itself it's not father, therefore it is not reflexive. Next, x is father of y but y is not father of x, that is not symmetric and not transitive. Next, we will go for the second question. Here the second question we have, show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R is equal to A comma B of A is less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. S. How we prove the A is less than or equal to B square? If we can take A equal to 1 by 2 and yes, A equal to, if A equal to 1 by 2, next first, what about first reflexive? Reflexive, A comma A belongs to R. Okay, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Here A is less than or equal to B square. That means A comma A is equal to A 1 by 2 less than or equal to B square. Okay, here this is A, this is B whole square, that we have 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is the relation, this symbol shows 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2, but reality 1 by 2 is the greater than 1 by 4. Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive because the symbol shows 1 by 4 is the bigger, but 1 by 2 is bigger than 1 by 4. Therefore R is not reflexive. Next, second one, symmetric. Symmetric. A comma B belongs to R and B comma implies B comma A belongs to R. Okay, here A comma B is